this. We're gonna go put this in the press and we're gonna get rid of that chamfer and then that thing will fall out. We'll put a new one in and press it in.
I didn't put yellow paint on it.
I think I had it on it when I pulled it off, but
Someone anticipating having to do this. There was a kit, a box of gaskets in my dad's collection. Spacer.
You know what?
Anti-seizing the threads.
when I was growing up, before they made the road by us, road on Dennis's car. My dad's name is Rocco, and he lives in Port Orchard, and give him a call, and he really wants one of these, and you know. And then some other guy had a car in Maryland, and my dad lives in the next town. I put the lugs on each of them, tightened them down, and they worked fine. What we're gonna do now is put it back together and put the wheel on and see if it does the same thing.
This way, just put the wheel underneath.
What made you guys decide the RV versus all other big trips you've been going on? Or you're still gonna do those?
It'll be the RV branch of the Sequim Valley Car Club.
So
Edison.
Ford's,
Pictures of the three of them camping.
Ford's wife was having a party and a wedding or whatever, and either their son or daughter married the son or daughter of Harvey Firestone.
Yeah.
And so at the wedding reception or whatever, you know, they had a bunch of Model A's parked out front, and she noticed there were Goodyear tires on all these Model A's, and she made the mechanic take them down and pull all the Goodyear ones off and put Firestones on for the reception.
Yeah.
I thought that was a pretty funny story.
Pretty typical.
You're really gonna buy this car, a 30-some-year-old girl.
What were the original tires on the Model A's? Did it vary?
Firestones and Goodyears.
Oh, okay. Well, then I did good getting Firestones.
I had Goodyears on my coupe, and I put Firestone. I like the tread pattern of the Firestones. What the hell is going on here? Click.
Oh, no.
Would they?
Well, I didn't buy it, so
Oh.
Inherited vehicle.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's even more history to it. Yeah, those copper washers will crush. I don't know if you can crush them enough to change your gap with the piston or not.
No. No, in fact, the piston
Hopefully somewhere around.
is over here.
Okay. Yeah, that's all the
Oh,
valves.
rings everywhere.
What happened?
No, it's okay. It's
Another-
okay.
I think we're that guy.
They had gone away from brass, and so they
31.
have the steel.
You can see that on there.
They sell them both.
Okay, so that's there. Now we're gonna set the timing.
I'm a little confused. So what parts were there before and what parts?
You had brass, remember, it was all
Yes,
boogered up.
all boogered up. Yep.
Well, in 31, actually late 30 or so, they went to,
That's on your wife's
they got away from the brass.
Okay.
You want me to give it a turn so you can see the clearance?
As soon as I get it timed.
Seats I have.
It's not timed yet.
You're gonna go down the highway.
But this cap is the one that you have
Yeah,
provided, and the
yep.
entire distributor except for the shaft.
200 miles on it since you've done it, and
Except for the lower shaft. I reused your lower shaft because it fit your oil pump drive.
And probably a manufacturing variation. Okay.
yeah, it's like I hope you're happy with it.
A lot of variables.
Good luck. Has a reputation, you know, and I hope people don't.
Are your
Oh, there's Tom.
plug wire bands somewhere close?
You know, Tom has burned so many bridges around here. It's not even funny. People want, you know,
I know. Well, I had some cast iron and I wound up.
Joe's gonna drill off the stud that's stripped.
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
I do too.
But I don't
Yeah,
hate
poor-
it as bad when it's not me. It happens to.
Poor Spidey.
Wow, what a nice air compressor.
Is that yours too? Oh, yeah.
And I just put a boiler screw in. Joe ended up taking, can I hauled it up to a welder. He wouldn't
Liability.
drilled a hole in it. One of those tapping repair screws. It's like a roof screw.
Wow.
It's got tapping
Yeah.
and it's got the washer built into it. That's what's in the bottom.
Yeah, there's another one.
Another one that's bad.
No, it's he gave me the front one. The rear ones are different than the front ones. The rear ones are round all the way around. They have a slot to help keep them from spinning. And you gotta make sure that little tab is lined up or it'll go in crooked. There. Now that's flush. And so you have to hold in there so when I tip this thing upside down it doesn't fall back out.
Oh.
Typically use Super or Gorilla for these type things.
So now
Electrical tape.
that little box sitting on the fender in there,
And we press this in.
Parts prep prior to receipt.
yeah,
I've had a set of what they call LAT9 wheels. This is horrible. They just had Fenders United in Monterey. And I noticed in the pictures people were posting, they said, hey, that was got the thing yesterday that he passed.
okay, start cranking down on it. Keep going. Okay, hold it. What's going on here?
John's doing the honors of grilling the burgers and brats. Sun just came out. We're gonna have a picnic barbecue here.
You're on your own. Debbie goes out the back door and Cora shuts the door behind her and says, bye-bye.
I don't have to go shopping very much anymore.
Oh, she's actually putting some time in with you, huh?
Yeah. Well, both the brothers are up here now.
Thank you, Diane, for this nice spread.
Yeah, we're
She was really worked up and nervous that she would not be able to figure out how to put together what everyone would like, but I said, yeah, we're a bunch of guys, man.
men.
Yeah. I don't know. What's he doing?
Started their beers already.
Spray on your car, Joe.
That's all right.
On my lens.
It was probably when the magazine was first published or so,
Yeah,
in
man.
1961.
You look a little crooked still. Yeah, it's all right.
Take them over to Bergstrom's and donate them to the new owner of Bergstrom's.
More light. Straighten it up a bit, and the stud's ready to mount.
Yeah, what it does, it wedges this right in there, fattens that, makes it
Okay.
solid in there. So
That was quite a process getting that Hummer out.
The stud that's carrying the stud.
Oh, jeez. So that's how you lift the rear end to work on the wheels and tires for future reference. Preferred grease.
they cut a slot in there.
So the pads are acceptable.
Yeah, they look great to me.
The rivets should not be showing. Kind of like tread on a tire. If they getting close, then it's time to replace.
Hey Joe,
Yes.
you're just giving a good coat over the bearings.
Yeah.
Overdo it.
Yeah, okay. Voila.
So in the process, you don't need to remove any of the old grease. You just apply new.
Yep.
Okay.
Refresh it.
So I was,
I find doctoring it pretty lame.
what the hell's that?
I'll use that wrench.
I'll tell you, you just get so into her.
And, you know, when he pulls this thing out, he says, because your body wasn't used to that and you probably pass out.
Oh,
And right about then, I keeled over flat on the floor.
Hope that works.
Yep.
So, I'm laying down there.
No, you went the
Squeezing
other way.
No, that's the way I loosened it. That's the
and
way
he
I
says,
took
"You'll
it to
be
get
okay
it
a little
off.
bit." So
Get it off now.
So try using a mallet.
see this
Yeah.
plastic deal? You're missing that.
Oh yeah.
And that's probably what the problem was.
You know, as I recall, there was electrical tape wrapped around it,
Yeah. Well,
and it had failed. You know, it melts after a while, or whatever the adhesive.
we'll replace that with the correct.
You have those
No,
too?
Sure.
Oh, jeez.
I got some stuff I want to give you. That's not 28 related.
It's not moving.
This drum's not going on, Joe, so I think we got this cranked all the way.
Need to loosen the. I don't think it's getting smaller. If anything, it's getting bigger.
Yeah, I was at the other extreme. I couldn't go anymore, so.
So let's see here.
They're not floater brakes?
He used fabric. That's crazy.
Drawing that off?
Yeah. Make sure it's all the way up.
All the way.
Yeah, it's the emergency brake.
The emergency brake.
Yeah,
There's two of them.
it's tight against this drum. See, I just knocked that one in. Right. Okay, so,
Are you thinking it's not the emergency?
well, it could be, but
You finding your key?
that's what won't go in.
No, I had the key on.
Yeah.
Because I was spinning the axle, because, you know, it's only going to spin the axle if you got the key on it. Boom.
Wasn't on the key.
Nope. That's the key.
Operator error.
Operator error.
You mean all that other stuff in between now and? So there's some funny things going on with the brakes?
Yeah, your emergency brake rod that is on this side
Yeah, on this side.
has been adjusted so far out that it's just barely threaded onto the end of the rod,
Oh, okay.
and it's wobbly, which, you know, means it's holding 2 or 3 or 4 threads instead of being really screwed on. And somebody just backed it off until they had room. They weren't dragging the emergency brake.
Is there another coupler that could be moved the other direction to split the difference?
So I have,
Sort of, yes.
if the brake rods are not correct, I have brake rods.
Yeah.
I also have the turnbuckles that go on the end of the brake rods, if those aren't correct.
The turnbuckles,
I
yeah.
think these are correct.
It's just they're out of adjustment.
The issue is adjustment. If somebody's got the linkage between the pedal and the cross shaft up too tight, that would mean these have to be backed way off.
Right.
Boy, this was a lot easier when my hands and fingers obeyed.
Okay, so that should not be tight. That should be backed off. About a turn.
All right, I need one more lug nut right there.
That will do.
There.
There's one over here. This is, it looks a little cleaner than the others. I'd swap that one for it.
Oh, that's the one. Okay.
Take this guy off.
No, but consistency is nice.
Now, in the box in the back, you're gonna find a couple of these that are nice shiny brass.
Oh, okay. Weighted wing nut.
And this fit in there like that.
They be in a baggie, Joe, or they?
Yeah, they'll be in a baggie of some kind.
You know, these don't have to be tight on that bake light cover.
Right.
They just have to be pointed down.
What does this connect to?
This is your ignition. Goes to your key.
It's
It
a armored
supplies
cable.
power to the distributor.
Wow.
And it's armored, so people back in the day wouldn't monkey with it.
Did that click at 55?
It did.
Oh, that was your elbow, I thought.
So turn it in that way
Yep.
until this drags.
Okay.
Damn
The idea behind the armored cable is that somebody with a jumper can't steal your car without a key.
Oh, that makes sense.
It protects the ignition.
Huh. So they had that problem back in the 30s and
Yep.
Hey, Joe, just go till they hear them scraping, or go till they're tight and then back it off.
Go until you hear scraping and you start to feel drag.
Right. Okay. That's right.
that cover was mounted upside down when Joe first saw it.
Nice to be thoughtful.
Being very thoughtful.
Oh, we're already going for a spin.
Should be getting somewhere now.
Hey, this is, oh, there you are.
Okay. Go more or back off, or just right to
How
where
do you
you're
like
dragging.
this on the first adjustment, Joe?
What's that?
Oh man, he's nice and round. I don't get a nice brake like that. Mine goes,
Well, these are cast iron brakes.
yeah, mine goes stiff and then soft. We got a little drag there.
Yeah, that's about right. That's where we start with it.
Mr. Supervisor.
For the most part, they did good.
For the most part, the restorers did good.
This is a $20,000 pickup, maybe more.
Oh. Well, now it's worth a lot more because of you guys. And it's going to be all over the internet.
The assumption is 20,000 if it's running, and that's where we're headed.
Well, it ran, it just wouldn't keep running.